In this video, I will describe the Tech Academy's Python Developer Bootcamp. Python is one of the most popular programming languages in the world. Now, as a reminder, a programming language is simply a specialized system of words and symbols you can use to create computer programs. As an example of its popularity, Python is utilized by Google and YouTube. Python is versatile and can be used to create many kinds of software, from web applications to software that can control robots and machinery. You can utilize Python to make virtually any kind of computer program imaginable. It is also a valuable tool in data science. Data science is the process of analyzing large sets of data to find patterns and insights. AI is one of the branches within data science, and Python is one of the primary programming languages used in developing artificial intelligence. And so, this bootcamp is the best fit for people interested in a career that focuses on Python development. You'll also learn JavaScript on this bootcamp, which is an extremely powerful and in-demand programming language that can build powerful websites and software. Here's the best part. Python and JavaScript are the two most used and popular programming languages on the planet, so there are tremendous benefits in knowing both. There are around 10 courses on this certification program. They cover topics like computer science, which is the study of computers and how they work, programming fundamentals, HTML, the language used to create websites, CSS, the language used to style websites and change their appearance, JavaScript, SQL, this stands for Structured Query Language and is simply the language used to work with databases, version control, which is the tool that tracks changes made to files, helping users work together and go back to previous versions if necessary. Visual Studio, this is a widely used program that you use to write and execute your code inside. Agile and Scrum, which are just fancy names for in-demand project management technologies used in the tech industry. And of course, Python. You will learn other tools on your bootcamp as well. You can find the complete list of courses included in this bootcamp on our website, but what it all comes down to is this. Everything you'll learn is based on what employers need and want. We limit the subjects to real-world skills that you will actually use on the job. We want you to have a large enough toolkit to succeed long-term in the tech industry. And so, the product of the Python Bootcamp is not only a junior-level developer able to perform the basic duties required of their position, it's one who is able to stay abreast of changes in tech and further educate themselves as needed. This is a thorough bootcamp, and by the end of it, you will have a well-rounded skill set. On it, you will cover around 600 study hours worth of content and tasks. It can take between 3 and 6 months to complete, depending on your study schedule. If you study 40 hours each week, you can complete it in around 15 weeks. Students who put in even more hours can expect to finish even faster, one of the many benefits of a self-paced program. If you purchase access for a specific amount of weeks, but don't finish in that time, you can purchase an extension. As a graduate of the Python Bootcamp, you'll be trained in front-end, the part of a website or program the user sees and interacts with, and back-end, refers to the database and portions the user doesn't see, development. As a graduate of this program, you'll be a full-stack, junior-level software developer. Full-stack refers to the ability to work on every element of the software development process, including creating the software itself, developing the front-end user interface for that software, linking the software to a database, and more. By covering the 5 programming languages included on this bootcamp, you will be able to create web applications and desktop applications. Even though a lot of data is included in this bootcamp, it would be impossible to describe everything regarding each language and to cover all there is to these subjects in a bootcamp. For example, you could study everything there is to know about the Python programming language, and when you were done, you'd have to start over because it would have changed in significant ways. The point is, we cover the basics of each language and subject, enough to where you can perform the most routine tasks, and to the point where you'll be able to pick up any additional needed skills on your own. Yes, the purpose of this bootcamp is to provide you with enough skills, but even more important than that, we want you to be able to learn and solve problems on your own. After all, we won't be there with you at your job. This bootcamp will prepare you for a wide range of entry-level technology positions and put you on the road to your long-term, secure, and lucrative career in tech. The Python Developer Bootcamp is a major undertaking, a serious commitment, and a considerable investment, but it's worth it. If you think this is the bootcamp for you, you can enroll today, and I hope you do. Thank you for your time, and good luck.